Consolidation continues after yesterday's sell-off. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, February the 4th. And of course, we saw a pretty healthy sell-off yesterday, which came right from the top end of consolidation, hit the bottom end, and here we are. We're seeing a little bit of a rally. I think you're in a buy the dip or sell the rally kind of mode here as the markets continue to churn in consolidation. With the government shutdown, we don't get a jobs number this Friday, but we do have ADP jobs this morning. You've got Google earnings after close, Amazon tomorrow, among others. So we could see some movement. The trend is still higher. I mean, again, I'm not telling you to get long. I'm just saying that you should look for some high probability setups on either side. But there is no reason to say that just because we had a sell-off yesterday that the markets are going down. I think you're going to continue to consolidate in this range. And I would look to sell rallies or buy dips. And at the end of the day, I think longer term with the overvalued market, we will see a sell-off. But it doesn't mean that we can't make new highs first, so just be very careful. The markets right now are mixed a little bit with the Dow higher, S&P lower. So we'll see how that plays out. In the meantime, the dollar is a little bit higher, and we're still looking for our 98 target. The euro currency is a little bit higher. We're short. Notes and bonds are flat. We would be short them both. Bitcoin is lower once again. I would think you'd be looking for 71,000 to be a buyer in Bitcoin. Gold, silver, and platinum are all higher. They're higher on light volume. Certainly, it's an indication that they're probably going to reach some resistance here and sell off again. Copper is right at that $6 level. We would look to be a seller about 630. Grain markets are slightly lower across the board. We are long. Cattle pushed a little bit higher again yesterday, along with hogs, but they're still really just in a very tight range. Nat gas bounced a little bit, but again, obviously, as we recommended selling it last week, it is still much lower. And again, I'd look to be a buyer around 3 to 310. And crude oil, a little bit higher. We'd look to be a seller about 65. But again, I warn you to be very careful in here. I think it's quiet. Markets are consolidating. There's not a lot to do. There's not a lot of volume. So again, sometimes observation is the best trade. In the meantime, don't forget our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program, and have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.